I remember the very day that I became colored. I was not Zora of Orange County anymore. I was now a little colored girl.
Peyton Farquhar was a well-to-do planter of an old and highly respected Alabama family. Being a slave owner and like other slave owners a politician, he was naturally an original secessionist and ardently devoted to the Southern cause.
I remember the smell of moss. Up in the canopy there were tiny white blossoms, but no sunlight at all. And I remember the shadows spreading out under the trees, where Kurt Lemon and Rat Kiley were playing catch with smoke grenades. It's all exactly true. It's all exactly true.
He unclosed his eyes and saw again the water below him. By diving I could evade the bullets and swimming vigorously reach the bank, take to the woods and get away home. My home, thank God, is as yet outside their lines. My wife and little ones are still beyond the invaders' farthest advance.
Things were quiet. At one point, I remember Mitchell Sanders turned and looked at me, not quite nodding, as if to warn me about something. It's hard to tell you what happened next. There was a noise, so I glanced behind me.
For now he sees another scene. Perhaps he has merely recovered from a delirium. He stands at the gate of his own home. All is as he left it, and all bright and beautiful in the morning sunshine. At the bottom of the steps she stands waiting. Ah, how beautiful she is. He springs forward with extended arms, as he's about to clasp her.
What I should do, she'll say, is put it all behind me. Find new stories to tell.
But in the main, I feel like a brown bag of miscellany propped against a wall. Against a wall in company with other bags. Pour out the contents, and there is discovered a jumble of small things, priceless and worthless. So much like the jumble in the bags, could they be emptied, that all might be dumped in a single heap, and the bags refilled without altering the content of any greatly. A bit of colored glass, more or less, would not matter. Perhaps that is how the great stuffer of bags filled them in the first place. Who knows?